In our June 2017 computer training module, we will discuss software best practices. I'll be going over the following items in great detail. First, shareware and junkware. There are many kinds of software out there. Most people are quite familiar with the term free, so we will mostly be talking about the types of software you can get access to for free on the internet. Some are completely free, some are free for a time period, while others are just free to bait you for something they really want you to pay for. I'll alert you to many facets of this subject, and it should help you to get a better view of the software you are getting from the internet and how you can deal with some of the trickery that's going on in the software industry. Junkware is a term I use for useless programs that are installed on your computer. It is very prevalent with name brand computers you purchase from a website or at a store, and I'll explain why some of it's junk, and later in the video I'm going to show you how to remove it. Toolbars. It's an old subject, but we still see it on your computers every day. So you really need to hear why not using toolbars is important, how they get there, and what to do about them. Driver update programs. Already mentioned in previous trainings this year, but I'll show you firsthand what they look like, what they do and don't do, and discuss why we recommend not using them and what to do if they are on your computer. Tune-up and speed utilities. Some work, some don't, and there are dangers and trickery you need to be aware of. I'll be showing you some examples of this. And finally, how to uninstall unused software carefully. This question comes up a lot, so I'll go through every program installed on my own computer to show you how to figure out what they are, decide if you need it or can remove it, then show you the ins and outs of removing software carefully. Now, it took me a while to put this month's training program together for you. The new video techniques I'm working on are a little tricky, but they're pretty cool. We hope you enjoy them. I do have some lighting issues I'm trying to resolve in my studio, so you're going to see some weird green screen effects, like this, or like this. And you know, I just couldn't overcome some of these with the lighting I had. So it's not bad though, and in fact most of you wouldn't even have noticed it if I didn't mention it. But it's a big part of why I'm so late this month, and so we're trying to get better in our video quality. So I do apologize for being late this month in releasing the June training, but I'm sure you're going to appreciate the content that we have presented this month. And it's just under 2 hours of video, and even though the subjects are quite simple, we guarantee you're going to learn a few things that you may have never even thought of. I put a lot of emphasis in this segment about doing our best not to be victims of internet marketing. In other words, I'll be showing you how to recognize many of the marketing tricks out there, and they can really cause you to throw your money away. So you can look at this training as a money-saving event. So we hope you join us for this important segment in our 12-part computer training series. Talk to you soon.